Joe Rogan's birthday is coming up in just a few days, and he is a perfect astrology chart example because he plays it out so perfectly, even though we don't know an exact time, which is the neat thing that I want to show you guys. So if you have any doubts about astrology or you just want to learn, stay tuned. Okay, so in his chart, you can see here that he has a Leo sun, and Leo represents the self, expression of self. And what's funny is that Mercury, which is also in Leo, and Mercury rules communication, that means he is expressing himself like through himself, aka like his show is the Joe Rogan Experience. I just think it's so perfect and so Leo because it's all about expressing the self, which also could point to him having a bit of an ego, like a large ego. And you can see that sometimes in his podcast, but for the most part, I do think he is very well balanced. Here in the chart as well, you can see that he has Mars in Scorpio. Now, as if you don't know anything about Joe's career, maybe you do, MMA is a big part of his career. And Mars in Scorpio is known, so Scorpio is known for their intensity, and Mars rules your energy. So Joe gets his intense energy out through a very beneficial method like MMA, which I think is really neat. And then also we see that he has a very close conjunction here with Jupiter and the Sun, giving him kind of this larger than life attitude. And I could keep going all day, but I want to keep this video relatively short. So I just want to show you guys some easy ways to see how an astrology chart can play out and how you don't need to have an exact birth time for certain things to not be changing. So mainly if you don't have your birth time, you wouldn't be able to know your moon sign or your rising sign. And the house system also is not going to be available. So that really affects where in the chart these things are playing out. So definitely try to find your birth time if you are trying to find a very in-depth analysis of your chart. Otherwise, you get these very general themes, but it would be really neat if we could look at this house system and see where that plays out. I could keep going. I'm like, there's so much cool stuff in here. But anyways, yeah, that's the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to follow, like, do all the things. All right, see ya. Bye.